A fine start to the day with sunny spells and staying dry for many all day, but will it last? I'll have all the details plus and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 16th of...
Cycling your clothes, Laura.
These stats are crazy. I sew Charlotte's buttons, I show her beavers badges on, I can make curtains, cushions, you name it, I can make young age. So if I wanted to have something for myself, I could fix it or make it for myself. But, you know, I think one of the things is, what we have, keep it and wear it, like you say, Ranveer. So for the last year, I've bought no new clothes here at GMB and at home. The dress I'm wearing today is a charity shop dress, a purchase, about a quarter of the price it should have been. Yeah. And, you know, I think if you just wear what you have, it's just a great thing to do. And it's crazy. There's enough clothes on earth to clothe the next thing that we have.
And what should we be wearing?
Today is the driest day of the week. A little bit of sunshine. Will it last? Here's the details. We are halfway through the month of September. How is it going? Well, unsurprisingly, it's been pretty wet. Temperatures around average, a little warmer than it should be for the time of year. But this is how the rainfall stats are halfway through the month. We should be around about 50% of our September rainfall. East Sussex, Bristol, way over 160% of where we should be. But in the north, Shetland has been exceptionally dry. And as we head through the next few days, dry for today for many of us, but low pressure, wet and windy remains the unsettled theme of things to come. So today is sunny spells and showers. It is the driest day of the week. The showers are few and far between compared to where we have had them. Northern areas of England and Northern Ireland picking up some this morning. But for many, it's drier than it's been over the last few days. Showers will be isolated. They'll be lighter than they've been. The winds will be lighter, particularly compared to those gusty conditions we had yesterday. And 16 to 20 is pretty much average for the time of year, but I think, again, disappointingly cool after the warm weather we've had of late. So enjoy the largely fine weather for today because, yet again, it's wetter and windier tomorrow. With the lighter winds compared to yesterday, feeling pleasant in that sunshine. But you can see the rain here behind me, so let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. Starting across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. Temperatures a little above average at best, but it will definitely turn cooler into the start of next week. You'll notice that change in the air. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. Well, today, largely fine and dry. We see more unsettled conditions with rain and then showers for the rest of the working week, and it's hit and miss into the weekend too. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, starting with our temperatures, it is around about average, moderating a little, cooler into the start of next week. But percentage chance of rainfall after what's been a wet month so far, we stick with that trend. Hit and miss with the odd shower today, but a band of heavy rain tomorrow, staying unsettled for all of us as we head into the weekend. Good morning to you. A quiet day of weather ahead, particularly compared to yesterday. We had those strong gusty winds, the heavy rain and showers. Today is likely to be the driest day of the week. There'll be some showers around, with rain into the west later on this evening, but actually with some sunshine around, lighter winds, it will feel that little bit warmer. Showers on the radar at the moment through northern England, parts of Northern Ireland and Wales. Good morning to you. After the blustery weather of yesterday with the heavy showers and the gusty winds, today is looking calmer. There'll be some showers around, not as heavy as yesterday, and the winds are set to be light. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. Showers for Northern Ireland, northwest England and western parts of Wales, but they're not too heavy at the moment. And really it's Northern Ireland, northern England. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday was a blustery one, strong winds, the gales, heavy showers. Today is calmer. There's still some showers around on our radar through northern England, Wales, the southwest, but lighter and fewer and further between than those of yesterday, and the winds significantly lighter as well. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. Showers across the northwest. They drift their way eastwards. It's chiefly southern Scotland and northern England that have the showers today, but very isolated. Much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, the rest of England and Wales largely fine and dry this afternoon. And temperature-wise, we're looking between 16 and 21 degrees. And with more sunshine and lighter winds, it'll feel very nice indeed, warmer than yesterday, but just pointing out this is likely to be the driest day of the week because behind me a band of rain moves in. Overnight tonight is set to turn wet and windy yet again. Tomorrow starts off cloudy with rain. Some of that rain is set to be heavy first thing, and then it moves its way eastwards. So the rain peters out as we head through the afternoon, but then these blustery showers move in. So temperature-wise tomorrow, the same as today, 18 to 20 degrees. But when you add in those blustery winds, it will feel cooler. So make the most of the largely fine, dry weather today while it lasts. For the weather where you are in detail, go to itv.com/weather.